Are you struggling with that constant ear ringing, buzzing, or that annoying background noise that just won't go away? Trust me, you're not alone. So many people deal with this every single day, and it can be incredibly frustrating, affecting your focus, your sleep, and just your overall peace of mind. Today, we're going to dive deep into a supplement called Quietum Plus. It's been getting a lot of attention online, promising a natural solution to support your ear health and help you finally enjoy some peace and quiet again. Is it the real deal? Let's find out together. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly what Quietum Plus is, how it claims to work, and whether it might be the right choice for you. So, stick around as we uncover the truth about Quietum Plus. First things first, what exactly is Quietum Plus? Well, it's a dietary supplement that comes in capsule form. The creators describe it as a 100% natural blend of 18 special plant extracts, vitamins, and minerals. The entire formula is designed with one primary goal in mind: to support your hearing health and promote a calm, clear mind. When you look at the bottle, you'll see a list of ingredients that might be familiar if you're into natural health, like mucuna pruriens, maca root, and ashwagandha. The idea behind it is to provide your body with specific nutrients that target the underlying issues that can contribute to those frustrating ear noises. It's not just about masking the sound. The product claims to work on a much deeper level to support the entire auditory system from the inside out. We'll get into the specific ingredients a little later, but that's the big picture of what Quietum Plus is all about. So, how does Quietum Plus actually claim to work? This is where it gets really interesting. According to the information provided by the creators, many hearing problems, including tinnitus, don't actually start in your ears. They suggest the issue often lies in the wire or the nerve that carries sound signals from your ear cells to your brain networks. When this pathway gets damaged or disrupted, the signals can get jumbled, creating that buzzing or ringing sound that isn't really there. Quietum Plus is formulated to support this critical pathway. It aims to help feed, regenerate, and rebuild this neural connection so your ears and brain can work together in perfect harmony again. The ingredients are said to have properties that help reduce inflammation, support nerve function, and protect against the damage that can lead to these auditory issues. Essentially, the goal is to repair the communication line, allowing for clear, quiet signals to be transmitted. It's a fascinating approach that focuses on the brain-ear connection rather than just the ear itself. Now, let's break down the key ingredients and their proposed benefits. The formula is quite extensive, but let's focus on some of the stars of the show. First, we have mucuna pruriens and maca root. These are powerful botanicals known in traditional medicine. They are included in Quietum Plus because they may help manage inflammation and support the repair of neurons, which is crucial for that ear-to-brain connection we just talked about. Then there's ashwagandha, a very popular adaptogen. It's known for helping the body manage stress, but in this formula, it's also said to enhance mental focus and potentially slow down cell degeneration. Piperine, which you might know as black pepper extract, is also included. It's a fantastic ingredient because it helps your body better absorb all the other nutrients in the formula, making everything more effective. We also have ingredients like donkey, which is known for supporting ear tonicity, and a blend of vitamins and minerals that provide foundational support for overall nerve and brain health. Each ingredient was supposedly chosen for its specific role in supporting this auditory pathway and promoting a state of calm. It's a comprehensive blend aimed at tackling the problem from multiple angles. Just take my word for it. Let's look at what some of the users have to say. When you look up Quietum Plus, you'll find a lot of personal stories from people who have tried it. For example, Madison Allen from New York wrote, "Everyone should have this product. I can hear my children's laughter again. For me, a great weight has been lifted." That's a powerful statement. Then there's Joshua Lawson from Chicago, who shared, "For 5 years it felt like a tea kettle was constantly going off in my brain. I was so skeptical, but now, it's all silence. I can finally live my life in peace." And one more from Jake Austin in Wyoming, who said, "My life is so much better now. The constant buzzing in my ears is gone, and I feel like I finally have my life back. I am so grateful this exists." Of course, individual results can vary, but hearing these experiences from real people really puts into perspective the potential impact that finding a solution can have. It gives hope to those who have been struggling for a long time, and it's a big part of why this supplement has gained so much attention. If you've been dealing with this, you know that the thought of silence can feel like a dream come true. Before we go any further, if you're finding this review helpful and want to see more honest deep dives into health supplements, take a moment to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. It really helps us out and ensures you won't miss our future videos. We'd also love to hear from you. Drop a comment below and let us know what you think so far. Alright, let's talk about the practical side of things. Pricing and any special offers. Quietum Plus is available directly through their official website, and they offer a few different packages. You can buy a single bottle, but they really encourage the bundle deals for better value and to give the formula enough time to work. The most popular option seems to be the 3-bottle package, where you also get 3 additional bottles for free. That's a 6-month supply. This bundle usually comes with free shipping and some interesting digital bonuses. These bonuses often include guides with tips for better sleep and strategies for managing vertigo and dizziness. Buying in bulk definitely brings the price per bottle down significantly. For the latest pricing and to see if there are any limited time offers running right now, I highly recommend checking out the official link. I've placed it for you in the comments section below this video. Be sure to use that link to ensure you on the official site and getting the genuine product. Now, a very important topic: safety and recommendations. According to the manufacturer, Quietum Plus is made with 100% natural ingredients. It's non-GMO, gluten-free, and doesn't contain any dangerous stimulants or toxins. It's also non-habit-forming, which is a huge plus. The capsules are easy to swallow and are made in an FDA-approved and GMP-certified facility, which points to good manufacturing standards. However, and this is crucial, it's always important to be safe. If you are pregnant, nursing, have a pre-existing medical condition, or are currently taking any prescription medications, it is absolutely essential that you consult with your doctor or a qualified healthcare professional before starting Quietum Plus or any new supplement. Your doctor knows your health history and can give you the best advice for your specific situation. Safety always comes first, so please don't skip this important step. To give you a balanced view, let's quickly summarize the pros and cons. On the pro side, Quietum Plus uses a blend of all natural ingredients, which many people prefer over synthetic options. The formula also includes adaptogens like ashwagandha that can offer additional benefits, like stress support. It's easy to take, just a couple of capsules a day, and as we've seen, there are many positive user reviews from people who feel it's made a real difference for them. On the con side, it's important to be realistic. The claims made by the product are not yet clinically proven by large-scale independent scientific studies. Also, the price can be a bit steep, especially if you're only buying one bottle at a time. And as with any supplement, results can vary greatly from person to person. What works wonders for one individual might not have the same effect on another. It's important to remember that while Quietum Plus may help support overall ear health, it is not marketed as a guaranteed cure for tinnitus or hearing loss. So, after reviewing all of this information, you might be wondering if Quietum Plus is right for you. If you've been searching for a natural way to support your hearing health and find some relief from that constant noise, it could be worth considering. The combination of ingredients focused on the nerve connection between the ear and brain is a unique approach. If you're ready to take a step towards supporting your hearing health naturally, now is a great time to act. You can find the direct link to the official Quietum Plus website in the comments section below. Click that link to check out the latest deals and grab your supply today. And please, don't forget to like this video, comment with your thoughts, and subscribe for more health tips and honest reviews. We appreciate your support more than you know. Thank you so much for watching our in-depth review of Quietum Plus. We hope this has been informative and helpful for you on your journey to better hearing health. We would love to continue the conversation in the comments. Have you tried any supplements for tinnitus or hearing support before? Share your experience below. Your story could be the one that helps someone else find the relief they've been looking for. Remember, you're not alone in this. Thanks again for tuning in, and we'll see you in the next video.